Best coding toys review for kids to enhance thinking skills. If your child is passionate about technology, our list of the best coding toys for kids can help them enhance their coding skills. These tech toys can be a great way to infuse learning into fun-filled activities. So, you might want to consider adding coding toys to your child's collection. It will enhance their coding skills and widen their STEM knowledge. Our diverse list of coding toys for kids will enhance their logical thinking skills, allowing your child to solve problems quickly and inspire them to become interested in programming. Number 1. Osmo Coding Starter Kit. Osmo offers a fun-filled coding starter kit that uses hands-on physical blocks and coding commands to teach the fundamentals of coding and programming to children. This coding kit is designed for children aged 5 to 10 years and features more than 60 advanced puzzles that children can solve individually or with others using teamwork and strategy. Includes a playful character named Obby. Self-guided. More than 300 musical sounds. No Wi-Fi required. Includes 31 tangible coding blocks. Osmo is magic. Fun-filled and award-winning learning games. Children interact with actual handheld pieces and Fire tablet, bringing a child's game pieces and actions to life. No Wi-Fi necessary for gameplay. An Osmo base is included, a Fire tablet is not included, both are required for gameplay. Number 2. Lego Boost Creative Toolbox. Lego Boost Creative Toolbox is one of the best kid coding games to foster children's curiosity and improve their critical thinking skills. It includes 847 Lego pieces that children can use to build and rebuild 5 interesting multifunctional models. The robotic toy is ideal for children aged 7 to 12 years and uses the latest color, distance, and tilt sensor technologies. Compatible with selected iOS, Kindle, and Windows 10 devices with BLE 4.1 or newer. Improves children's IQ. Comes with a playmat and a Lego Boost wall poster. Includes 847 Lego pieces that kids can build and rebuild into 5 cool multifunctional models. The best and most popular robotics toys for 7 to 12-year-old boys and girls who love to tinker and learn about science. Use the latest ECLIght color, distance and tilt sensors. Number 3. Wonder Workshop Dash Coding Robot. The Dash Robot by Wonder Workshop is an open-ended learning platform that makes tech knowledge simple and fun. Children can give voice commands to the robot to discover loops, conditions, sequences, and events with the 5 free apps that come with the robot. This robot coding toy arrives charged. Offers 5 hours of active play after each charge. Voice activated. Coding robot ideal for children over 6 years. Chargeable via micro USB. Dash teaches code and kid speak for girls and boys ages 6 to 11. A child's first real robot friend. The physical robot comes with access to a virtual Dash robot that kids can program in a rich 3D environment on screen. 1 Dash robot, 2 connectors, 1 USB charging cable, a 2-student 1 adult 12-month subscription to Class Connect. Dash and Dot do not contain a camera. This Dash unit contains more working memory than before and an 18% longer battery life. Number 4. Learning Resources Botley the Coding Robot. Botley, the coding robot, is ready for use right out of the box and helps your children learn the basics of coding and early STEM skills while playing and having fun. It allows screen-free play and doesn't require any phone or tablet. This robot comes with a remote programmer, 40 coding cards, 27 obstacle building pieces, detachable robot arms, and 6 double-sided tiles. Allows children to code the robot for up to 120 steps. Detects objects. Follows looping commands. Grows with the child. Comes with 3 AAA batteries for Botley and 2 AAA batteries for the remote programmer. Early STEM skills. Botley helps your child learn early STEM skills while playing and having fun. He teaches kids to code with active, screen-free play that's perfect for promoting critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Number 5. Snap Circuits Teach Tech Mech 5 Robot. Mech 5 by Snap Circuits is a mission-based, entry-level mechanical robot to inspire children to learn about the fundamentals of mechanical engineering. It is ideal for children over 10 years. The STEM robot can perform various activities such as throwing, kicking, lifting, and drawing. This coding toy is designed to improve children's hand-eye coordination and problem-solving skills. Moves forward and backward and rotates 360 degrees. Dimensions of 12.4 by 2.5 by 9.1 inch. Develops STEM skills. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.